Everyone loves colors. They're attractive, help us express ourselves, and they make us happy. But nobody likes color in their water, because that means that our clothes don't look as colorful as they did when we first bought them. It also means that those colors go into nature. There is a solution. Simple, eco-friendly, affordable, and easy to use. Dr. Knight. Dr. Knight is a powerful laundry tool which can combine the functions and benefits of Color Catcher and other laundry aids such as fabric softener, water softener, etc., thus replacing or supplementing conventional products to prevent undesirable results of the washing process. Dr. Knight could be used up to 3 times on just a single charge and without any significant losses of efficiency. Dr. Knight's innovative design enables perfect water flow for achieving maximum efficiency.
It's true. By making the right choice, you can achieve more.
Reduce water pollution and create healthier environment.
Safeguard your clothes and preserve its vibrant colors.
Say yes and join Laundry Aid Revolution.